Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Patil. I am studying MMS in SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. In this video, I am going to talk on the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 in subject compensation and benefits. So let's start. So first start with definition. Gratuity is defined as a benefit given by the employer to the employee for rendering service continuously for 5 years or more. It is a mandatory and monetary benefit usually given at the time of employee separation from organization or retirement. But there are certain rules which make an employee eligible to receive gratuity. Payment of gratuity minimum 5 years of continuous service required. According to section 2A, continuous service, an employee shall be said to be a continuous service even his her service is interrupted by way sickness, accident, leave, absence from duty without leave, leave with full wage, temporary disablement, laid off period. Whether such uninterrupted or interrupted service was rendered before or after the commitment of this act. In case of period of 1 year, employee will be treated and his continuous service if he is employed by employer for the period of 190 days employment under the ground in mines or in establishment which works less than 6 days in a week, 240 days in case of other an establishment, factories, companies, etc. In case of periods of 6 months, employee will be treated as his continuous service if he is employed by employer for the period of 95 days employment under the ground in mines or in establishment which work less than 6 days in a week, 120 days in case of others and establishment, factories, companies, etc. In case of seasonal establishment, an employee of a seasonal establishment shall be deemed to be in continuous service if he has actually worked for not less than 75% of the number of days on which the establishment was in operating during the 1 year or 6 months. According to section 4, payment of gratuity. Gratuity shall be payable to an employee on the termination of his employment after he has rendered continuous service for not less than 5 years, on his separation or on his retirement or resignation, or on his death or disablement due to accident and disease. Provided that the completion of continuous service of 5 years shall not be necessary, whether the termination of the employment of any employee is due to death or disablement. Calculating of gratuity. Section 4 subsection 2. Gratuity is a gratuity equal to monthly salary divided by 26 multiplied by 15 and multiplied by number of years of service. Monthly salary is a last month's drawn salary by the employee. 26 is a total number of working days in a month and 15 is a number of days in half of the month. For monthly salary employees, formula is gratuity is equal to basic plus DA multiplied by 15 divided by 26 and multiply by number of years. For seasonal employees, in the case of seasonal employees, 7 days wages for each seasonal or service completed by the employee is considered for calculation. Rest of the formula is same as monthly rated employee. Formula is gratuity is equal to basic plus DA multiplied by 7 divided by 26 multiplied by number of years. For monthly salary employees, gratuity is equal to basic plus DA average of last 3 months multiplied by 15 divided by 26 multiplied by number of years. So that is the formula of gratuity. Thank you.